Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a Primetime News exclusive. We have the disturbing details of the moments leading to the death of 4-year-old Nashon Brown. The child was severely beaten by his stepfather at their home in Willowdene, St. Catherine. Today I sat down with the mother of the deceased child, who we will call Rosie. It's not a real name, but because of the feared backlash, she's asked us to conceal her identity. 4-year-old Nashon Brown in happier times. As we prepared to do the interview, we couldn't help but notice his mother going through pictures. It's all she has left of him after his shocking death Sunday. Shocking because she'd hoped to see her only child grow into adulthood. It was just days before the tragedy that they moved to Willowdene, St. Catherine. According to Rosie, Nashon had been feeling sick from Saturday.
We were giving him tea and whatever because we figured it was the gas.
Fast forward to the fateful day when there was little improvement in Nashon's condition, worsened by the fact he had lost his appetite. Still, Rosie says she encouraged her son to eat. That's when the stepfather intervened.
You know, with him for a good while, I tell him, say, eat the food, eat the food, eat the food, eat the food. He did not eat it. Until him saying that he might get one whip for you. So when him pick the whip and come in, I said, if you lick him with that, me I have it done. But this time the other kids them did it outside. So none of them hearing that take place. Him said, for shut up my mouth.
She says it went downhill from there.
He beat him once with the stick. How long was that?
It was for 2 hours or so.
So the little boy, basically, he beat him for about 2 hours, you're saying?
Yeah.
So he would stop and then go back, or?
Stop, go back, stop, go back. I have to tell him, say, no, that is enough now, we are doing too much.
And then whilst he's doing that, Nashon was bawling.
Yeah.
Was he asking for help? What was he saying?
Well, he mostly did I say, mommy. And me just stand up, couldn't believe what I say. Maybe that's why I feel like I feel it, because I actually stand up for a while and make that happen to him.
But Rosie eventually intervened and paid the price. The bruises on her hand, back and legs tell the tale. Things would eventually settle, she says. The stepfather and the 4-year-old retreated to the bathroom when it appeared the child had a seizure. The 4-year-old was rushed to the Spanish Town Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Rosie says her boyfriend would use physical punishment in the past to discipline her son, but Sunday's beating was the worst.
Would you say that he had an anger problem?
Yes. Him don't know for controlling anger.
Has your son ever expressed that he was afraid of him?
Well, ever since him talk to him rough, like him just say, go and go sit down and talk to him rough. I'm always say, you don't need to talk to him like that, he must say. The man a girl, he a great man like girl.
She insists she's always wanted better for her son, but never had the means to provide him with a good life. Before meeting her boyfriend a few months ago, she didn't have a stable living arrangement. Now she's homeless again and needs help to bury her child. The psychological impact of the incident is also taking a toll. To other women who may be going through a similar situation,
discipline your child yourself. Whether you try to get him a family, just do it yourself. I think that was my mistake. Trying to think that, like when I have the father figure, him get a father figure.
If you want to help Rosie, you can call 876-210-5423 or 876-460-8657.